हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं इंटरनेट पर कैमरा पर कैच हुए कुछ शॉकिंग मूवमेंट या फिर कह दो कुछ इम्पॉसिबल ऑड्स। ऑड्स जिन्हें नहीं पता उसका मतलब है कि कुछ ऐसे मूवमेंट जो आपसे गलती से हों लेकिन बहुत ही और मेकिंग मूवमेंट हों। बहुत लोगों को पता भी होगा, जिनको नहीं पता मैंने उनको बताया और जिनको पता है वो बिल्कुल इसको सुनने की जरूरत है। तो चलो देखते हैं ये शॉकिंग एंड ऑड्स मूवमेंट।
These moments had a 1 in a million chance of happening. Dropping things isn't a big deal on land, but if you're out in open waters, good luck getting your hat back. I thought he might turn the boat around, but he tried a more unique approach instead.
उससे टोपी गिर गई पानी में, उसने फिर से उस फिशिंग बेट से जो ना फिशिंग टोपी अपने लिए वापस ले आया। मिशन इम्पॉसिबल, मिशन इम्पॉसिबल, मिशन कंप्लीट।
Nah, but kicking the ball into the trees definitely won't help.
Eh?
And again, if you're lucky enough, anything can happen.
भाई साहब, पहला पेड़ पर लगा, फिर जमीन पर लगा, फिर वापस बस उसमें गया, बास्केट
Like
में
that
चला
on a
गया।
snowboard, you'll stay down for a bit. That's mostly true anyway. Makes you wonder if this is just skill or plain luck.
ओह भाई साहब, मैंने कहीं क्या भी गर्दन टूटने वाली, लेकिन बच गया, फिर से उस पर खड़ा भी हो गया।
Losing a wheel in the middle of a race can be pretty dangerous, but instead of causing a crash, this wheel decided to go.
Nah, bro.
All it took was a slow roll down the hill and a perfect jump. Some people have incredible skills. This isn't one of this man's. I know
मैंने
it's hard
कहीं
to
की
believe
जगह पर
after
दोनों
this
फेंक रहा, लेकिन
amazing
साइड से
display,
जो
but
फेंको
just look
दोनों
at
एक
the
ही जगह
confusion
पर।
on his face. He has no idea how he did that. This guy was absolutely sure he'd just thrown his food on the floor, but that was just his perspective. That couldn't have ended better for him. Fishing typically requires lots of skill, most of the
भाई
time.
साहब, मछली खुद आ गई, खुद ब खुद मछली उसमें आ गई।
This guy would say it's the easiest thing in the world, but fish don't normally catch themselves for you. He just got lucky. This guy was all set to perform a backwards full court shot. The ball was on target, which is more than most of us could hope for. But instead of landing the perfect shot, he just missed it in the most incredible way possible. We all like treats, but this girl wasn't expecting hers to be taken away like that. Better luck next time, I guess. Don't try this at home. Seriously, the chances of throwing a hammer in the air and having it land like that are little to none.
अभी अगर थोड़ा सा गलत हो कि इसके सिर पर या कमर में या हाथ किधर पर लग जाता तो बस बैठ जाता, क्योंकि हैमर को इतना आसान तो नहीं। और डोंट ट्राई दिस होम, इसने भी की दे, मैं भी कह दूंगा कि डोंट ट्राई दिस होम।
Done. Trick shots take practice, but not even the greatest pool players are capable of this shot. It's pretty unfair for the ball
भूख
to
से भी
bounce.
निकल गया था, क्या कहते हैं, टेबल से भी बाहर निकल गया था, उसके ऊपर से निकल रहा था, फिर उसको ऊपर से गया घूमा, देखो घूमा फिर
In
इसको
the
आगे
end,
लगा भाई।
we all wish mistakes worked out this way. The first mistake was the guy heading straight towards him. The second was falling off the board.
ओ भाई साहब, उसके पैर के आगे से निकल गया, दूसरा बांध रहा था, उसके पैर के आगे से निकल गया, उस पर बैठ गया भाई साहब। देखो ये
This way.
देखो ये
The first mistake was the guy
ये
heading
ऊपर गया,
straight
उसकी
towards
तरफ
him.
गया
The
और ये उस
second
पर
was
बैठ गया।
falling off the board. We've all seen some great ski stunts. Usually they're done on purpose. This one,
गलती से।
not so much. The umpire usually doesn't get involved with the ball, but with this impossible shot, he didn't really have much choice. It's like the ball had a mind of its own. Some people are really good at taking an opportunity when it comes to them. This guy did that in a literal way. When a bird flew a little too close to him, he took his
वो
chance.
उसने पकड़ लिया,
You
हाथ से
gotta
इतनी
wonder
अजीब तरीके से उसने पकड़ा, फिर उसको इंतजार के पकड़ लिया इतना आसानी से, हमसे तो कभी नहीं पड़ा। वो भी
how many times
लकी
these
है
kids
मोमेंट है।
tried this before it worked. This is the
इतना
devil
मजेदार था,
who
देखो
flew a little too close to
ये
him.
तो बहुत
He
ही
took his
मजेदार था, लेकिन ये
chance.
देखो ये
You've got to wonder how many times these kids tried
यो
this before it
भाई
worked. This
साहब, ये
is the
बात तो सही है कि ये
definition
कह
of
रहा
a
है कि कितनी बार इन्होंने ये ट्राई किया होगा, कितनी बार ट्राई किया होगा।
perfect shot. No doubt about it. The best Jenga strategy anyone has is to play it safe. Don't do what this man's trying. You'll never win. Well, not unless you have the skills of a ninja like him.
गिरा भी नहीं भाई।
There's a fine line between perfect timing and bad luck. Just a few seconds extra and their tricks could have been ruined. But somehow
बच
they
गए,
managed
दोनों
to
बच
miss each
गए,
other
दोनों
by
बच
the
गए
tiniest
आपस
of
में भाई,
margins.
उससे गिर
Anyone
भी
who's
गया, लेकिन
ever
उसे नहीं
gone
लगा।
bowling before knows how unfortunate this is. That's not the way you want the pins to
ओ
look. It's
तीनों
just
के
the
तीनों
way
गए,
that the ball-
एक तरफ गया, दूसरी तरफ गया, दूसरे ने बॉल को मार दिया भाई।
If you're a bowling wizard like this kid, then you can do anything. If you're working out this way, it's vital to have strong
अभी टूटने वाला है।
equipment. Otherwise,
अभी
something like
टूटने
this can
वाला है।
happen. I bet he was never expecting things to turn out
वो
that
टूटा
way.
भी नीचे की
But
तरफ, ये
he's
तो अच्छे थे कि जब ये इसका पैर नीचे लगने वाला था तब ये टूटा है। अगर थोड़ा गलत टाइम पर
not
टूटा तो
dead.
सीधा जाने
We
वाला
often
था।
see more than we think we do. I don't think this guy knew he was watching, but the moment the clock fell, he jumped into action. That's what I call a perfect save. I'm a bad boy. Sometimes the least favorable situations lead to
हमारा
the
कहाँ
greatest
गया
of
कहाँ?
victories. When
हाँ,
all this
ऊपर
fails,
गया,
just swing
ओ,
it. You
सीधा
never
ऊपर।
know. It might even work.
भाई साहब,
Ever
क्या
had a close
गॉड।
call? Not as close as
Oh.
this one. After seeing this, you'll never play baseball without your helmet
भाई
again. You
साहब,
could say she
ये
was
अगर
staring
हेलमेट
death
ना होता तो पक्का पक्का मानो कि उनका 150 160 तो इनकी नॉर्मल स्पीड होती है। 160 के स्पीड से एक लग जाए ना मारे, वो सीधा सीधा माथे पर सबसे कमजोर जगह यही है। इस पर अगर हमारा थोड़ा सा पत्थर लग जाए, थोड़ी सी कोई चीज लग जाए तो हम जो है ना तड़पने लगते हैं। ये इतनी सख्त चीज लग जाए भाई साहब भाई।
It's the little things that count. The world isn't perfect, but if the life of just one dropped pizza can be saved, that makes it all worth it. Ever been whitewater rafting? Everyone who's tried it knows how terrifying it is. Here you can see why.
पिज़्ज़ा वाला इतना मजेदार नहीं था, वो तो बिल्कुल ही मुझे शॉकिंग नहीं लगा। लेकिन ये तो वो पिज़्ज़ा वाला थोड़ा गर्म था, ये बात है कि गर्म था उसकी वजह से उसने रख दिया। लेकिन ये तो कुछ और ही हुआ, गिर भी गया, फिर से उसने बचा दिया अपने आप को। देखो ये।
If you thought ping pong was repetitive, think again. I'll bet that was the last thing his opponent was expecting.
ओ पीछे से मार दिया, कैसे मारा? पीछे से मारा मेरे सामने, देखा, देखना।
If you thought ping pong was repetitive, think again.
पता नहीं उसके लिए तैयार भी था। ओ वो तो बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं था, अपोनेंट तो बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं था। लेकिन ये भी तैयार कोई नहीं था, इसने भी गलती से मारा।
This rapper was lucky enough to be caught on camera when this magical moment happened.
हाँ ये मैंने देखा है, वो तो फैंस की तरफ वो जाकर पिज़्ज़ा वापस आ जाती है। पता नहीं कौन है, क्योंकि नजर भी नहीं आ रहा सही से, मैं इतना इसको जानता भी नहीं हूँ। उसकी तरफ से जाती है और फिर से फेंक के वापस आ जाती है। भाई साहब,
in case you don't watch football, I'm here to tell you that penalties don't usually look like this, but I wish they did. The odds were definitely stacked against you.
नहीं है, इसकी बात भी सही है कि पेनल्टी इस तरह को नहीं लगती जैसे ये है।
This is goal defending at its
एक बार बचा, दो बार बचा, तीन बार
This guy was happy about his baseball skills. He decided to end his batting with a flourish, but its finest. This guy was happy about his baseball skills and decided to end his batting with a flourish, but his full potential was revealed by mistake when the bat amazingly
ये तो फिर भी
came to
देखा,
a
ये तो बहुत
standstill
लोगों ने
on
देखा होगा,
its
ये तो
head.
इतना लोगों ने देखा होगा कि वही जगह पर
The first rule of sport is never take your eye off the ball. That's even more true if you're a goalkeeper. I guess this one was a bit too busy celebrating to notice the ball slowly bouncing into the net. Here's a kid discovering he has a unique talent. I don't know what else to call it. Nobody else could pull off a shot like that, but he doesn't just do
दूसरी बार करेगा तो उस तरफ जाएगा, देखना
again with the very next ball. He seems just as shocked as everyone else. In sport, everything can change in the blink of an eye. That seems to be what happened here.
उससे पकड़ में लिया, उसके सिर पर मार के फिर से उसे वापस ले लिया। भाई साहब, एक बार पकड़ा, मैंने पकड़ा नहीं, सिर्फ उसको हाथ लगा, फिर उसके सिर पर लगा, फिर उसके हाथ में आ गया। उसको देखो खुद शौक है।
Blocking the ball could lead to such confusion. There've been so many great catches in baseball, but this one's definitely up there with the greats. Nobody even realized he caught the ball.
भाई साहब वो भाग रहा है, भागने की तैयारी में
Contestants
था,
have to
लेकिन
stop the clock as close as they can to 9.91 seconds. Check out how this guy nails
रोक
the
दिया उसी
perfect
तरफ, वो भी
score.
स्टंट से। भाई साहब सही असली और हार्मिंग पे भी था, रोका भी बिल्कुल टाइम पर और जंप मार के रोका
If you
है।
thought reaching the other side of the pit was impossible, this guy just proved otherwise. Never in a million years would I have thought that's humanly possible. There's a fine line
ये तो मैंने
between
भी देखा
great
था कि
stunt
साइंस कह रही थी कि ये ऐसे नहीं होने वाला, इसने साइंस को भी खता किया था, पता नहीं वही है या दूसरा है, साइंस को गलत साबित किया था। आई डोंट नो कि दिस वाज या फिर दूसरा वाज, या आई डोंट नो वाज।
and horrible accidents. This snowboarder found that out the hard way. How many times can you spin around before you start getting dizzy? Now try landing a basketball shot. Or better yet, you could try doing it like this guy.
घूमने के बाद भी हमारा, तो मैंने कहा भी गिरने वाला है लेकिन नहीं गिरा।
I don't know how, but I could watch it forever. You'll never win a football match if you don't know where the ball is. But sometimes things just fall into place. Like the ball fell into this player's arms without him even realizing. It didn't matter. He still got the points. Ice skating can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. He can clearly skate. It's the showing off he has a problem.
मैंने कहा उधर गिरना, लेकिन बच गया। मैंने कौन सा उधर गिरा या फिर इस जगह पर अपने आप को हाथ के कहीं से रोके, लेकिन वापस आके फिर से रख दिया।
No matter how much you prepare for something, things aren't guaranteed
ओ
to
अच्छा,
go
उधर सामने
well.
देखो
But
चीज
once in
रखी
a
है, वो
while, they
ऊपर से आया,
actually
इसके
do.
ऊपर से यहाँ पर गया। हाँ
It doesn't matter how many times you practice something.
ये तो
it's
लगा था
bound-
कि कोशिश की है उसने, वो दूसरा नहीं था, वो क्या कहते हैं, कौन सा था, गोल्फ वाला, उसने तो फिर पूरी कोशिश की, कितनी बार इसने ट्राई किया होगा, लेकिन ये वाला तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं
go
कोशिश
wrong
नहीं था।
eventually, but you better hope that when that time comes, you have as much luck as this guy.
मिशन पास नहीं, लक
I don't know
1000।
how many things needed to be
अगर
perfect
ये यहाँ
for this
पर गिरता
moment to
कुछ ना कुछ
happen,
होता।
but they all happened in exactly the right way.
सीधा
That kid can't
उसकी जेब
believe
में
his
गया, सीधा
luck.
उसकी हुडी के
Dogs
जेब
are
में
pretty
गया।
great escape artists. Surely no
Pocket
dog's
me.
getting over that, right? Oh well, better luck next time. Pole vaulting always looks dangerous.
yeah,
Jumping
देखनी
and
अजीब
big
चीज़ है।
sticks
Whoa.
aren't a good combination. Nothing ever goes wrong though, right? Well, this pole vaulter had a pretty close
ओह
call.
उससे बच
Luckily,
गया,
only his
कुछ
clothes
ऐसे
were
था,
harmed.
कुछ इसको ऊपर फंस गया, मेरे सामने नहीं, ये यहाँ पर गया और इसने इसको बचा दिया, उसी ने बचाया जिस पर इसने जंप मारा, वहां से ऊपर से वो गिर गया था, लेकिन उसी ने बचाया जिस पर इसने जंप
If
मारा।
you do the same thing every day, you'll get good at it. But the chances of nailing this on the first attempt are second to none. Sometimes you're
पहली
just
बार
in the right place at the right time. Who would have thought sitting so close to the court could lead to such great rewards? Cool. I wouldn't even know where to start with this Rubik's Cube, but this guy's a
कहाँ
pro.
ये होता कैसे है? इसकी तरह मैं भी कहूँगा कि ये होता कैसे है, कहाँ से कैसे हुआ, लेकिन ये स्टार्ट कैसे होता है?
Before the other guy even picked
क्यों
up his
कैसे इतना
own.
अजीब है?
Bowling isn't too complicated, unless you do things like this guy. The way he threw the ball made his chances
बाहर
of
निकल
getting
के
the
फिर से अंदर आया भाई
final pin
साहब।
almost impossible until he actually did get it by some sort of luck. I'm not too sure who the lucky one is here. The guy who wiped out on his board,
मैंने एक से निकाले तो दो थी, दो के दरमियान में से
the
निकाल
girls he
दिया।
nearly crashed his board into. What even were the chances of their steps lining up so perfectly like that? You can already see what's about to happen here. If the hook on the crane falls, both the man and the sports car are in danger, except it missed.
अगर ये लग जाता तो सोचना कि इसका क्या हाल होता। सिर्फ ये सोचना था लगे हुए हैं। अगर ये गलती से सिर्फ थोड़ा सा टच होता ना, इसकी पूरी हड्डी निकल आनी थी। अगर ये सिर्फ टच हो जाए, अगर ऐसे लगता तो फिर पता नहीं इसका कितनी भारी चीज है।
The odds were against that driver for sure. You can bet these two people had no other option than to throw their mattress off the building, but they definitely never expected it to work this well. We've seen basketball trick shots before, and we've seen water bottle tricks too. But have you seen them combined? Probably not. That's just a little too difficult to pull off, unless you're this guy. It's not so easy to serve next to someone like this, but amazing skills always help. This man saw a wipeout as an opportunity to
उसने
try out
पकड़ लिया
something
भाई
new.
साहब। तो चलो गाइस, अगर आपको ये ऑड्स, इम्पॉसिबल ऑड्स अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट अमेजिंग वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए आप सभी लोगों को गुड